Let's talk about the 4 steps for the person who has uncontrolled dandruff. So, depending on the cause of the hair fall, the 4 steps will be different, they will be customized, they will be personalized, the results will come in slightly different time. The entire course of continuation of the regime will be different, the maintenance regime will be different. So, we are learning all this very, very systematically. So, what are those 4 steps for the person who is not able to control their dandruff? Dandruff needs to be controlled to 90 to 95%. Yes, sometimes in some seasons or because of some change in lifestyle, it may keep coming back to some extent, but most of the time, the person should not have dandruff. The scalp should neither be too dry nor be too oily. So, the first thing we spoke about a suitable anti dandruff shampoo. What are the anti dandruff shampoo options? Already discussed in the previous chapter. It should be used 3 times a week, then it can be gradually tapered, already discussed in the previous chapter. How should you use an anti-dandruff shampoo? What's the best way to use it? What not to do with an anti-dandruff shampoo? How steroids should never be used for anti-dandruff control? All this we have already discussed. I would want you to go back and revisit that chapter after listening to this chapter because this sums it all together. And this is the most important thing. It is it all coming together, but unless your base, unless your initial understanding is crystal clear, this way you will not be able to produce magical results with this information. Then we come to hair vitamins and vitamin D. Yes, if the vitamin levels of the body are good, the skin, scalp is also finally skin. It becomes either too dry or too oily, it becomes too sensitive, it becomes irritated with the changes in the lifestyle and environment. So, the nourishment level, the vitamins, and the mineral level of the body is really important to keep the skin happy, to not keep it irritated. So, hair vitamins play a very major role, very less spoken about. When it comes to dandruff, people are talking about home remedies, people are talking about dandruff shampoos, but the role of vitamins and vitamin D is really very significant, which very few people focus on because finally, to work on the roots, to be awesome inside out, to hit at the core problem, the scalp oil moisture levels need to be balanced. And then we come to hair peptide tonics. Why hair peptide tonics? Hair peptide tonics are something that contains nutrition in a bottle of water where a lot of nutrition is dissolved in it. Peptides are proteins, like I have said before. Protein is important for hair growth. So when a person has uncontrolled dandruff, the person also has hair fall. There is some amount of weakness in the hair roots because of the irritation of the dandruff. So this is a good time to provide some extra nourishment to the hair follicles so that the growth is enhanced and the quality of the hair improves and the person is able to see results much faster. So I generally prescribe a hair peptide tonic, which is a kind of a nutritional supplement, but that is topical. That is at the site of the hair root, which is applied to the scalp. And the fourth is when the dandruff shampoo starts getting tapered and then you no longer use the dandruff shampoo, please do not use a regular shampoo because that regular shampoo may again do the same problem, that is it may make the scalp too oily or too dry, and which is not the healthy state for the scalp. So make sure that you use an no sulfate shampoo, non sulfated shampoo. Even if you are over, the regime is over, now you no longer have dandruff, I would want the person to continue with a non sulfated shampoo for the rest of their life. How long should they continue that basic regime? The basic 4 step regime has to be continued for 3 to 4 months. So, to say that I have conquered the cycle of dandruff, I no longer have as much dandruff as I used to have before. Even with the changes in the season, my dandruff doesn't reoccur to the extent that it used to happen before. It will take a consistent, persistent lifestyle change following the 4 step regime for 3 to 4 months at the intervals that is recommended or prescribed to you. The results will be visible in as early as 3 weeks. Some people take 6 weeks, but in 6 weeks, there is a significant correction of the dandruff, and people are really happy with scalp not getting too oily, itchiness getting controlled, and other things. So, in 6 weeks, you will see the results. Then, what you need to do is you need to maintain. because everybody has a particular tendency, that is the tendency of your scalp to get irritated with a lot of changes. So please maintain with proper food habits. We've done a beautiful chapter on what to eat and what not to eat for healthy hair. Of course, there's a lot more that can be spoken about. We can have an entire masterclass on what to eat and what not to eat for anti-aging, for hair, for health. But then, too much information is not going to make you take more action. So what has been provided to you is really valuable information. Try to take maximum action on that information. And yes, you and me can always keep connected for more. There are going to be more exciting learnings, master classes, and you will have some special gifts given to you, which I will be sharing at the end of the masterclass. So you will have a lot more from Skin Sense to you. But what has been given to you is, they are the golden nuggets, work for thousands of people, provided you understand, take action on them, and be patient to see the results. Scalp hygiene needs to be maintained, and the anti-dandruff shampoo might need to be used occasionally, because in certain seasons after a travel, when because of some reason the person has not been able to manage the scalp hygiene as usual, the dandruff might recur. So if a person has a really bad tendency to dandruff, I say that there should be an anti-dandruff shampoo at home, because you never know when dandruff comes back, because dandruff may come back from the environment. So generally for dandruff control, no in clinic treatment is required. But some people have so much hair fall because they have absolutely not managed to control their dandruff, that they feel that their hair volume or density has gone down to half, and they're looking at serious hair regrowth. You can start hair mesotherapy. But what I like to do is, when a person comes to me and says that I have tried everything and nothing works for my dandruff, I like to first work on controlling the person's dandruff. So I give a 3 to 6 week engagement, and I make sure that the person says, oh, there's a significant control in my dandruff, after which I can start the hair mesotherapy for them. So I hope this was super, super useful and simple.